guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit images on CapCut browser. So instead of selecting create new video, select create new image, and you're going to select the custom size here, or you can select from these recommended like aspect ratios. I'm just going to create the basic 1080p 1080p. Here you have templates that you can choose from, like this one for instance, and here you can replace the image by pressing the image and then selecting replace. Or if you don't want the template, just select everything and delete that. And here to insert images, select photos. Oh wait, this is photos from, hold on, let me see how to, just copy and paste it, like copy and paste images here. I'm just going to select one from stock videos like this one and add it to the canvas. Then go to text. You can add in some texts here. Oh, here is where you can upload stuff. Sorry, I didn't see it. And then you'll have like these designs here. You can also choose it from photo colors. It's basically going to give you a theme for like your text and stuff, so they're in the same colors. Here you can add in more text as well. You can add in shapes, can add in stickers here, and you can even add in frames where you can even put the images in them like this. Just select the image and drag it and put it inside of that frame like that, or like use another one like this like weird, actually let's use this one, this weird shape. Just drag it and put it in. You can also like size it up and stuff. But yeah, those are the ways you can edit images. There's more features that I can't cover right now, but that's basically where you can edit images on CapCut PC. You're just going to simply export it later on. This is on the browser, not the app, by the way, so keep that in mind. Here you can also add in the background, and like you can resize stuff here. Like for instance, you want like a pink background, you can just select it from there. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!